Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone XR or the XR in two different ways. So let's get started. The first method we're going to use are the buttons. So you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button along with this big side button. So what you're going to do is quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down and then hold on to the side button just like that. And as you can see here, I'm holding on to the side button. The message will pop up where it says slide to power off. You do not need to touch that. Just keep on holding that side button like I am here until the screen goes completely black and then the Apple logo appear. At that time, you'll let go of that side button. Again, the sequence goes quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, one after another before holding on to this side button. And if it doesn't work the first time, keep on trying it. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get the hang of it, and that will go ahead and restart your iPhone. Now another method is if you have Siri enabled, you can issue a command to Siri, something of this nature. Hey Siri, restart my iPhone.
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device?
Yes. And as you can see here, you can issue a command. Like I said, hey Siri, restart my iPhone, and it'll ask you to confirm. And Siri can also help you restart your iPhone without having to use your buttons like that, just with your voice command, as long as you have Hey Siri enabled. And that will also go ahead and restart your iPhone. Now both of these methods are completely safe, will not delete any of your personal data, so all your photos, videos, apps will be safe. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.